bad vehicle purchase can cost $5,000, $10,000, even $20,000 or more. After depreciation, repairs, maintenance, and ownership costs. And most buyers do not see it coming. The car looks clean. The payment looks affordable. The salesperson says it is a smart choice. Then the resale value drops. The repair bills start. And owners realize they bought a vehicle they cannot wait to get rid of. Today, we are looking at 10 cars people regret buying the most. Some became repair nightmares. Some lost value fast. One luxury SUV became so expensive to own that many owners wished they had never signed the paperwork. Number 10, Nissan Altima. The Nissan Altima looks like a safe financial decision. A new Altima starts under $30,000. Fuel economy is strong. The payment looks manageable. That is why people buy it. But the regret starts when owners realize the cheap payment is not the full cost. The Altima has years of CVT transmission complaints. A CVT replacement can cost around $4,000 to $7,000. That is not a small repair. That is the kind of bill that makes an affordable sedan feel like a financial mistake. Then depreciation hits. A Nissan Altima can lose around 44% to 49% of its value in 5 years. So the owner gets hit twice. First by repair risk, then by weak resale value. That is why the Altima starts this list. The monthly payment looked affordable. The ownership risk did not. Number 9, Jeep Compass. The Jeep Compass sells because it gives buyers the cheapest way into the Jeep brand. It looks like an SUV. It has the Jeep badge. And a new Compass starts around $31,000. But that badge does not protect the owner from depreciation. CarEdge estimates the Jeep Compass loses about 44% of its value in 5 years. That is roughly $14,500 gone from depreciation alone. Then ownership costs keep coming. RepairPal puts average annual repair and maintenance cost around $526 per year. CarEdge estimates average maintenance around $670 per year during the first 5 years. So the mistake is not just buying a small SUV. The mistake is paying Jeep money for a vehicle that may not hold Jeep level value. Many owners bought the Jeep name. They were not ready for the ownership math. Number 8, Chevrolet Traverse. The Chevrolet Traverse is built for families who need space. 3 rows, more cargo room, more daily practicality. But the ownership math is not small. A new 2026 Traverse starts around $40,800, and higher trims can pass $55,000. CarEdge estimates it can lose about 54% of its value in 5 years, around $28,700 gone. RepairPal lists average annual repair costs around $656 and ranks it 22nd out of 26 mid-size SUVs for reliability. So families bought space. But many were not ready for the depreciation, repair risk, and long-term ownership bill. And if repair costs concern you, the next vehicle gets significantly more expensive. Number 7, Volkswagen Atlas. The Volkswagen Atlas wins buyers with space. 3 rows, comfortable cabin, family-friendly design. But it is not cheap family transportation. A 2026 Atlas starts around $39,310, and upper trims can reach about $54,630. CarEdge estimates the Atlas loses about 51% of its value in 5 years. On a nearly $48,000 purchase, that is about $24,600 gone. Maintenance is another problem. CarEdge estimates about $8,411 in maintenance and repairs over 10 years, with a 23.5% chance of a major repair. So the Atlas impressed buyers with space. The repair and depreciation math did not. Number 6, Jeep Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee has the reputation buyers trust. It looks premium. It feels capable. and it has one of the strongest names in the SUV market. But the ownership costs can get painful fast. A 2026 Grand Cherokee starts around $37,000, and higher trims can pass $65,000. Car Edge estimates it can lose about 51% of its value in 5 years. On a $50,000 SUV, that is about $25,500 gone. RepairPal lists average annual repair costs around $666, and owners frequently report electrical issues, screen problems, and reliability complaints. This is where buyer disappointment starts becoming financially painful. Number 5, Ford Explorer. The Ford Explorer sells because families trust the name. 3 rows, strong engine options, a familiar American SUV, but ownership can get expensive. A 2026 Explorer starts around $41,000, and higher trims can pass $55,000. Car Edge estimates it can lose about 51% of its value in 5 years. On a $50,000 Explorer, that is about $25,500 gone. RepairPal lists average annual repair costs around $732. Owners have also reported transmission complaints, electrical problems, and costly repairs. Many buyers expected a dependable family SUV. Instead, they found out how expensive a familiar nameplate can become. The next vehicle is where things get really expensive. One thing to keep in mind, truck repairs can get expensive fast. If you want to protect yourself, we've added a trusted warranty provider in the description where you can check coverage and pricing. Number 4, Ram 1500. The Ram 1500 sells because it feels more like a luxury vehicle than a work truck. Big cabin, smooth ride, high-end interiors. But expensive trims create expensive regret. A 2026 Ram 1500 starts around $41,000. But higher trims can pass $75,000. Car Edge estimates the Ram 1500 can lose about 46% of its value in 5 years. On a $70,000 truck, that is about $32,000 gone. RepairPal lists its average annual repair costs around $670. Owners also report electronic issues, infotainment problems, and costly repairs. The Ram feels premium when you buy it, but a luxury truck becomes a lot less luxurious when depreciation and repair bills start. Number 3, Tesla Model Y. The Tesla Model Y sold because buyers expected lower costs, no gas, fast acceleration, modern tech. But many owners took a serious value hit. Some Model Y prices dropped $10,000 to $20,000 in just a few years. A buyer who paid $55,000 could see the vehicle worth closer to $35,000 to $40,000 sooner than expected. Insurance can also be expensive because Tesla repairs involve sensors, cameras, batteries, and specialized bodywork. Even minor accident repairs can cost thousands of dollars. So owners saved on gas, but many lost far more through depreciation, insurance, and repair costs. They expected lower operating costs. They did not expect the value to fall that fast. Number 2, Jeep Wrangler. The Jeep Wrangler looks exciting before purchase. Iconic design, open-air driving, real off-road ability. But ownership gets expensive. Higher trims can pass $60,000. Many versions get only around 19 miles per gallon combined. At 15,000 miles a year, at $3.50 per gallon. Fuel alone can cost about $2,700 per year. RepairPal lists average annual repair costs around $694. Even with strong resale value, Car Edge estimates about 29% depreciation in 5 years. On a $50,000 Wrangler, that is roughly $14,500 gone. So owners do not just regret the road noise or rough road. They regret paying premium SUV money for daily compromises. Many owners loved looking at it. Fewer enjoyed paying to live with it every day. Number 1, Range Rover. The Range Rover is the dream purchase. Luxury status, prestige, premium features. But it can become a financial trap fast. A new Range Rover can pass $100,000. After 5 years, depreciation can wipe out $50,000 or more. Maintenance is not cheap either. Annual repair costs can run around $1,200 to $1,500. Major repairs can reach $5,000 to $10,000 plus after warranty. That is why it earns number 1. The gap between the dream and the ownership bill is massive. The biggest regret is not buying a Range Rover, it is discovering how expensive ownership becomes once the warranty ends. Most regret starts before signing. Buyers focus on the payment. Owners pay the depreciation, insurance, repairs, and maintenance. One bad vehicle can cost thousands after the deal is done. The dealership only needs one signature. You have to live with the vehicle for years. Before you buy your next vehicle, check its true value with DealCheck at biddingforautos.com. 5 minutes of research today could save you thousands tomorrow. Subscribe before your next car purchase, because the most expensive mistake is the one you discover after you own it. If you want more like this, subscribe and watch this next.